Hi everybody, it is Flip Flop Mountaineer and I have crossed state lines for you today. I want you to stick around. I am just outside of the small town of Blue Ridge, Georgia, which is in the foothills of the mountains. And I'm taking you to a place that is less known right here on the outskirts in Gilmer County. It is a waterfall and it's a short hike to a beautiful end. So I want you to stick around as we explore Georgia. I've made it to the trail and I'm on my way up to go see the waterfall. It's a very short hike and I've got a little bit of an incline, but it's not too bad. I have heard that there's some steep parts, so stick around. I've heard that the view is worth the while. Let's go see the waterfall. Still on the trail, getting closer to Fall Branch Falls. Stick around, let's go see it. Well, I made it. Fall Branch Falls right here outside of Blue Ridge. It's beautiful, guys. It goes all the way up there. I was at the top looking down. It's pretty neat. So the trail is a little bit bumpy, but it's an easy walk, and I recommend that you come. Well, totally worth the adventure. It's not a bad hike. It's tucked away. Not too many people know about it. And really cool, right across the way were some glamping yurts. And I talked to somebody staying in them and they said they're fabulous. So I will leave the picture of that so that if you want to check that out, you can. Meanwhile, if you want to go exploring, let me take you. Well guys, we made it. We hiked to Fall Branch Falls just outside of Blue Ridge, Georgia. And I'm telling you, if you're gonna be in the area, it's one to check out. But you know, if you can't make it there, I just might take you. So come on, let's explore.